guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the AU-MH601 Studio Headphones from Maono. These are probably one of the more cheaper and affordable headphones that I could find on Amazon. And if they're anything like the quality of the condenser microphone from Maono that I reviewed previously, then they're going to be pretty good. So before I begin, I just want to say that this is not a sponsored video, and I actually bought these for around $43 at Amazon. It had some pretty good reviews, and if you're interested, I'll leave you a link in the description section below if you decide you want to buy one for yourself. Anyways, I decided to buy this based on the affordable price and because I was looking for some headphones that I could use and also recommend to friends at work, having gone through a number of lesser quality headsets previously. And because I had a good experience with their condenser microphone, I figured it would be good to try out another potentially good product from the same company. So let's start by unboxing this and see what we get. So what's good about these headphones, especially for the price, is that it comes with active noise cancelling and works with virtually any device. And aside from the headphones themselves, it comes packaged with a pretty lengthy cable, which has a standard 3.5mm retractable and detachable plug, and also comes with a screw-on 6.35mm adapter for each end connector as a bonus. In addition to that, both the cables and adapters feel like they are made of very high quality materials. You also get your typical instruction booklet, which usually comes with every product, as well as Maono's standard contact card in case you need customer or technical support. But we'll just throw that aside. And now to the meat of the unboxing, the headset itself. At first glance, it looks like your standard foldable headset. It's made up of a matte plastic material and feels semi-durable. Like most headsets, it's adjustable. And what I like about these is that it has notch sizing measurements, so you can pick and maintain the right size and fit for you. The padding itself is a soft pleather-like material and seems like it would be very comfortable. What's good about this headset is it comes with a connector for both a 3.5mm and a 6.35mm cable, and there's two of them, allowing you to connect multiple devices at once. I actually really do like the feel of the headset. I'm not sure what the material is, but it feels like a soft, sandy, grippy feel. Kinda like after you sand a piece of wood. So without even using this yet, what I like about the headphones itself is the way it feels. It feels like a pretty durable product, and it has this nice powdery, non-slip matte feel to it. The headset is labeled so you know which side is the left and also which side is the right. And it also supports dual inputs. So there's a 1/4 inch input and a 3.5 millimeter input, which allows you to share music, daisy chain other devices, as well as connect a microphone or other communication devices to it. It's also very flexible and allows you to invert the headphones in case you're mixing or want to hear your surroundings while you're listening to your music or anything else. It also folds very easily for easy transport and portability. And then the headset itself is also spring mounted, so the headphones always pop back into place. The earmuffs themselves are soft and cushiony, and they also detach very easily in case you need to replace them. But getting them back on is pretty tricky. The only concern I have with this though is the headpiece. The cushion on this is very thin and it may get uncomfortable over time since there isn't much padding to it. As for sound quality, I think this headphone is great. And what I mean by that is that I think it's pretty loud and the bass is not bad. However, the soundstage and the immersion when playing games isn't as good as true gaming headsets where you can hear footsteps coming from different directions from a distance. This doesn't seem like it gives you the same depth of range. If you're listening to music though, and not playing a game where you need to listen for people sneaking up on you from a distance, then this will work great for you. I do have to say though, that the headset is comfortable, and it's an amazing headset for the price. It does fit comfortably on the ears and offers good pressure to seal in the sound. But from a durability and longevity standpoint, I'll have to get back to you after using these for about a month, since that's how long historically it's taken for headsets I tested to fail. So stay tuned for a follow-up. Anyways, in conclusion, I really do like these headphones from Maono, and it does come at an amazing price. This headset seems like a good buy, and you do get pretty good quality and good features for the price. I especially like that it supports both detachable 3.5mm and 1/4 inch inputs. And at this point, I would agree with most of the ratings I see on Amazon, and would recommend this if you're on a budget and need something that works great. Anyways, if you made it this far, I really do appreciate the support, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps out this channel. Please also subscribe and ring that bell icon so you'll get notified when I post new content. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.